Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I want to show how to make logo animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files. First one, select this logo. I will use my logo for example and move to inside composition. Then go to FX preset and search CC ball action. Select this CC ball action. Let's use for this logo. And we can see here ball particles. Then we can change scatter like this. Nice. And let's go to here for a second. Make new scatter keyframe. And select this logo. Press U for see new keyframes. Okay, we can see here scatter keyframes. And go to first second. Let's change this scatter 1000. Let's see. Okay, very nice. And select keyframes, make easy ease. Go to graph editor, select this graph and make smooth like this. And let's see animation. Okay, very nice. Back to keyframes with this icon. And in this time, I want to make twist angle. Let's go to here again. Make twist angle. Let's see. Okay, I will use this. So, let's select this logo. Press U again, see new keyframes. And we can see here twist angle new keyframe. And go to first second. Let's change twist angle 1. And change this 45. So let's see animation. Okay, very nice. We can see here rotated balls. And let's select keyframes. Don't forget to make easy ease. Go to graph editor and let's make one graph like this. Back to keyframes with this icon and let's see again animation. Okay, very nice. So select this last twist angle keyframe and move to right. Let's see again. Nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.